Good morning to everybody. I am Yako Mattai from Kerala, India. The subject I want to discuss with you today is that fever is not a symptom in COVID 19. None of disease require fever as its symptoms. We have been hearing for centuries that fever is not a disease but a symptom. Physicians say that fever is a symptom of disease like flu to cancer. The conservative fever definition, diagnosis, and treatments are based on fever as a symptom. All the studies related to fever as a symptom of a disease have been done without knowing the purpose of temperature of fever is. In the current COVID 19 epidemic situation, it has great importance because fever considered as an important part of corona disease. Not knowing the purpose of temperature of fever, how can fever include as a symptom in COVID 19? What is the symptom in COVID 19 according to symptom definition? In COVID 19, up to 80% of patients have no fever. Why up to 80% of patients with the COVID 19 virus have no fever? Is it because there is no need for the care of fever, or is it because the disease is free of symptoms? Without knowing the purpose of temperature of fever, how can fever include in the symptom definition? Any evidence to establish that fever is a symptom in COVID 19? Most of the disease may not have fever. Sometimes it disappears. Then, is fever a symptom of which disease? Is fever a symptom? What are the scientific criteria or parameters necessary for a symptom? Temperature between 38 degree to 41 degree centigrade can be a symptom of a disease. What we will do to prove a symptom? Symptom definition. What is the use of symptom definition? As with any or all other definitions, symptom definition should describe the symptom scientifically. If it cannot describe clearly, there is no use of symptom definition. Symptom definition is the only parameter necessary for a symptom. A symptom is a departure from normal function or feeling which is noticed only by a patient, indicating the presence of disease or abnormality. A symptom is subjective, observed by the patient, and cannot be measured directly, whereas a sign is objectively observable. A symptom can more simply be defined as any feature which is noticed by the patient. A sign is noticed by other people. Different type of fever definitions can be seen in medical books, although general sense that a fever means an increase in body temperature is pervasive. The exact definition of a fever is an ongoing debate, as is its biological purpose. Davison's Principles and Practice of Medicine says fever implies an elevated core body temperature of more than 38 degree centigrade. Harrison's Principle of Internal Medicine says fever is an elevation of body temperature that exceeds the normal daily variation and occurs in conjunction with an increase in the hypothalamic set point. Not even a single trace of symptom definition can be seen in fever definition and vice versa. Then, according to which scientific basis does fever definition gets related to symptom definition? In symptom definition, fever definition cannot be found. The elevation of body temperature is not included in symptom definition. The main evidence which proves that fever is not a symptom of the disease is symptom definition itself. A symptom has no ability to make other actions. During fever, sponging with water is used to reduce temperature. Then, shivering takes place to produce heat. Shivering is a heat producing action. In physical appearance, shivering is a warning signal of temperature decreasing. Its action is a protective self-defense mechanism of the body. The shivering due to fever never comes under the definition of symptom. An action can never become a symptom. Elevation of body temperature is an action like lifting, sitting or standing. On what scientific basis elevation become a symptom? The feeling of elevation in body temperature is a symptom of fever if the increment in body temperature is an after effect of elevation of body temperature. According to symptom definition, the feeling of increment in body temperature is the symptom of increased temperature. Is elevated temperature a scientific criteria or parameter of symptom? No. The patient cannot feel elevated body temperature. According to symptom definition, fever is not a symptom. Then, what are the criteria to assess a symptom? Nobody knows. Then, on which scientific basis can fever be considered as a symptom? Nobody knows. If elevation of body temperature, that is fever, is not a symptom, then what? One cannot be understood directly. The temperature is elevated in the hypothalamus. A mechanical device is necessary to measure elevated temperature in the hypothalamus. According to sign definition, it is a sign. Then arise another question about body temperature. If elevation of body temperature, that is fever, is a sign, then in which category will the temperature of fever come under? Signal category. Everybody can feel. No device is required. In the beginning stage of fever, the patient and others cannot feel the rise in temperature. Elevated temperature or increased temperature never makes fever or symptoms of fever. It may create hyperthermia. Fever includes so many symptoms like fatigue to mind and body, reduced appetite, reduced motion and indigestion, and aversion towards cold substances, internal and external discomfort, etc. Signals and actions like high temperature, shiverings may occur. Different cause of diseases never shows same symptoms. Different causes of diseases like virus, bacteria, fungi, venom, horror scene and horror dream, etc. never shows the same symptoms. Its actions are different and sometimes opposite. No similarities can be seen between their actions. All the symptoms and signals of hypothermia can be seen in the fever too. That means there is a common basic science behind these phenomena. In hypothermia, core temperature drops below 35 degrees centigrade. Hypothermia is a temperature decreasing disease or state. Modern medical science describes fever as a symptom of diseases in which temperature is increased. Actually, increasing temperature and the decreasing temperature is not a symptom but a signal of a disease. If hypothermia is a temperature decreasing disease or state of threat to life or organs, then temperature increase in fever condition would also be a state of threat to life or organs. None of the disease or causes of disease require fever as its symptom. If the mosquito bites, its virus, bacteria, venom gets deposited in the body. As a result, according to nature and strength of virus, bacteria and venom, symptoms like itching, pain and signals like color change, inflammation may occur. We can see the symptoms, signals and indications of the virus, bacteria and venom, etc., which are multiple or spreading or damages the body before fever emerges. Here, fever emerges after days, weeks or months after the various stages of spreading the disease. Here, fever is not required as its symptom. The disease like Kala-Azar, fever emerges after 6 to 8 months from when the germs were deposited in the body. Here, without a fever, symptoms, signals and indications of the disease can be seen up to 8 months. If one frightened by horror scene, horror dream or due to fear of attack, as a result, according to nature and strength of fear, symptoms like dread, fear and signals like shivering, unconscious, delirious, etc. may occur. Here, fever is not required as its symptom. The nature and strength of fear cannot be diagnosed with fever. At the same time, the nature and strength of fear can be diagnosed by its symptoms and signals. The symptoms of virus, bacteria and venom are not based on fever. The symptoms, signs and signals are shown whenever virus, bacteria and venom are present in the body. In such a situation, fever is not necessary because fever is not seen in everyone. In a state of multi-disease conditions, if fever is caught and cured, the fever will not show the symptoms of other diseases. In H1N1 infections, 30% of patients had no fever. Patients who have flu-2 cancer may not have fever. A cancer patient, after getting frightened, develops fever. If a patient has 5 to 6 diseases and fever is caught, the symptoms of fever do not show the symptoms of any other diseases caused. In such a situation, when fever is cured, our body shows symptoms of other diseases without symptoms of fever. The nature and strength of virus, bacteria and the venom cannot be diagnosed with fever. At the same time, the nature and strength of virus, bacteria and the venom can diagnose by its symptoms and signals. The symptoms, signs, signals of fever are only seen at the presence of fever. During cancer, the symptom, sign and signals of cancer are shown every time. A patient having cancer and fever at the same time, symptoms, signs and signals of both cancer and fever are shown every time. A symptom of cancer never becomes a symptom of fever, or a symptom of fever can never become a symptom of cancer. If fever is a symptom, one symptom has no ability to make other symptoms. Fever makes numerous symptoms, signals and actions, etc. If fever is a symptom, we cannot call a person as a fever patient. If fever is a symptom, no treatment is required to reduce fever. Treatment is required only for disease and its cause. Our immune system never increase elevated the symptom in the hypothalamus. A symptom can never cause fatal. It is said that the temperature above 41 degrees centigrade can cause febrile fits and it may cause fatal. There is a sharp difference between symptoms of fever and symptoms of rising temperatures. Symptoms of fever include body pain, fatigue to mind and body, reduced appetite, reduced motion and indigestion, and aversion towards cold substance, internal and external discomfort, etc. The symptoms of rising temperature include likeness towards cold items, like to drink cold water, feel discomfort while using a blanket, feeling hot, etc. According to the facts of physics, if temperature increases, thermal expansion of an object is positive, it will expand, and with a decrease of temperature, it will shrink. On the contrary, during fever, we can see blood vessels and skin are shrunk. Pressure decreases, body shivers, sleep increases, motion decreases, inflammation increases, body pain increases, blood circulation decreases, dislike cold substances, etc. In fever, firing rate of warm sensitive neurons decreases and the firing rate of cold sensitive neurons increases. At the same time, if we apply hotness from outside by thermal bag or if we drink hot water, our body acts according to the facts of physics. An increase of temperature, the pressure will also increase, expands blood vessels and skin, body sets, motion will increase, inflammation will decrease, body pain will decrease, blood circulation will increase, like cold substances, etc. There are no similarities between the symptoms of fever and symptoms of rising temperatures. Fever never shows symptoms of rising temperature like decreased body pain, like cold substances, hate hot substances, feel discomfort while using a blanket, etc. We can prepare a table showing symptoms, signs, signals, and actions of fever and disease and rising temperature. How can we separate symptoms of disease and symptoms of fever and symptoms of rising temperatures? A fever condition means symptoms, signs, signals, and actions of both disease and fever are included. If we deduct disease from fever condition, we will get the fever. So, we can prepare an equation. Fever condition included disease plus fever minus disease equal to fever. Symptoms in fever condition. Both the symptoms of disease and the symptoms of fever are included. If we deduct symptoms of disease from total symptoms of fever condition, we will get symptoms of fever. Symptoms in fever condition included symptoms of disease plus symptoms of fever minus symptoms of disease equal to symptoms of fever. Like that, we can separate signs, signals, and actions of both fever and disease. Signals in fever condition, both signals of disease and signals of fever are included. Signals in fever condition included signals of disease plus signals of fever minus signals of disease equal to signals of fever. Signs in fever condition, both signs of disease and signs of fever are included. Signs in fever condition included signs of disease plus signs of fever minus signs of disease equal to signs of fever. Actions in fever condition, both actions of disease and actions of fever are included. Actions in fever condition included actions of disease plus actions of fever minus actions of disease equal to actions of fever. In fever does not show any actions of temperature rise. A new fever definition, diagnosis and treatment is required. If a person who believes in conservative fever definition, diagnosis and treatment, he cannot recognize these equations. How can we prove the fever is not a symptom? The fever is not a symptom when examined in various directions. We can separate symptoms of fever and symptoms of disease and symptoms of rising temperatures. Like that, we can separate signs, signals and actions of fever and disease and rising temperatures. If we ask any type of question related to fever, by assuming that fever is not a symptom, we will get a clear answer. If we avoid or evade from this, we will never get a proper answer to even a single question. If we do any type of treatment by assuming that the fever is not a symptom, the body will accept. At the same time, body will resist whatever treatment to decrease blood circulation. Besides that, we used the symptom definition. No further evidence is required to prove the fever is not a symptom. The benefit of taming the fever temperature as a signal. The purpose of the definition for signal is to analyze signal scientifically, to differentiate it and also to brief it and understand it easily. If we say there exists temperature as a signal, one can easily understand without much explanation. In such a situation, automatically comes apt word as well as apt definition. That is why it is told to exclude the temperature of fever from symptoms of the disease. Conclusion: the fever is not a symptom when examined in various directions. Temperature between 38 degree and 41 degree cannot be a symptom of any diseases. No diseases or cause of diseases require fever as a symptom. A different causes of diseases like virus, bacteria, fungi, venom, horror scene and horror dream never shows the same symptoms. Opposite diseases never shows the same symptoms. When the disease becomes a threat to life or organs, the temperature of fever is a warning signal of a disease. Fever has never been scientifically proved as a symptom of disease. Fever has the properties of adaptation. Fever treatment should be revised according to the warning signal of a disease. A new fever definition, diagnosis and treatment is required. It is wonderful that a physician having years of experience in fever treatment cannot understand actual fever definition and fever treatment have no relation with symptom definition and diagnosis. In the early days of my discovery, I thought that fever is a symptom of disease. I never got any answers for even a single question about symptoms. That induced me to find out the real truth of fever. I can eliminate fever definition, diagnosis and treatment. If you discard this discovery, it would be an injustice to mankind. I also prepared 8,000 affirmative cross-checking questions. After scientific studies for a long time, I have developed a theory which can explain all queries related to fever. The real science of fever can be termed as the physics of fever. Approach to the seminar and discussions. Thank you for hearing me patiently so far.